Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable flipping animation on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings section. Here you can find the reading section and go to the first button, the flipping and indicator of page. And in the all flipping mode section you can find the flipping animation. Show animation when flipping page by using volume buttons and by touch. If you want to enable, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.